This is 169 Monroe Road in Herman, and today we're going to look at unit number 3. There are 4 units that are in this building, and it is in a great location. Hampden's known for one of the best school systems, lots of convenience in town. We're very close to the Laura Hoyt Pool, the library. And as you see, as we come into unit 3, you walk into the garage. You do have a garage door opener, so that is always a wonderful thing to be able to pull right in. There is some additional storage here in the garage, so you've got that space as well. Off the garage, you walk directly into the unit, and it is beautiful in here. It does have vinyl plank flooring, which is very durable, easy to maintain. You do have a hall closet as you walk right in. Great place for all of your coats and outerwear. And we'll go into the kitchen area, which is a huge open floor plan. As you can see, great appliances in here. The owners definitely did go all out. Beautiful recessed lights. You do have the 5-burner stove. Tons of cupboard space. And of course, these are the great cupboards that are self-closing, so I love that. No banging of drawers. This would be your living room area, and as you can see, it is just very open with lots of light. Of course, your dining room area would be over here. There's lots of ways that you actually could set up in here. You do have the doors that go out into the backyard. And all those trees are going to be budding soon, and Maine starts to look really pretty in the next few months. So you do have this area, which is good for a grill. You could put some patio furniture out here and just enjoy the quietness and beauty. As you can see, it's just so bright and sunny. Actually, we don't have any sun today, but when it is sunny, it is gorgeous. This is where your washer-dryer hookup would go. So very convenient. This is all one floor. You're not going to be dealing with stairs. And down the hall is where the 2 bedrooms are. They're pretty comparable in size. I would say this is the smaller of the 2. Plenty of outlets. That's a big thing. Everybody needs those outlets. And they put them in lots of areas. And you do have your closet in here. So I would say this second room is just a tad bigger. It does have a bigger closet area. Again, great outlets everywhere. Both rooms do have ceiling fans, so you'll have that extra circulation. And again, this unit has radiant floor heat. And as you can see, this is a pretty good sized closet. So you have all that extra room there. And as we walk back out into the hallway, the bathroom is over here to the right. They have a great countertop that they have in here. They actually just did refloor in here, and I love the pattern they use. And you've got your shower there. And again, those wonderful self-closing drawers that don't bang. So this is a great unit. If you are interested, give us a call, or you can visit us online at rentbangor.com.